Hello guys, this is Aarthi from S. Kumar Views and I welcome you all to this session. I have created many popular courses on our channel. You will want to develop a cool project after learning the basics. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons, and don't forget to share this into your friends. Today we are going to see some of the Python interview questions for freshers.
What is scope resolution in Python?
Sometimes objects within the same scope have the same name but function differently. In such cases, scope resolution comes into play in Python automatically. A few examples of such behavior are Python modules, namely math and C math, have a lot of functions that are common to both of them: log10, acos, exp, etc. To resolve this ambiguity, it is necessary to prefix them with their respective module, like math.exp and cmath.exp. Consider the code in the screen. An object temp has been initialized to 10 globally and then to 20 on function call. However, the function call didn't change the value of the temp globally. Here, we can observe that Python draws a clear line between global and local variables, treating their namespaces as separate identities. This behavior can be overridden using the global keyword inside the function, as shown in the following example.
What are decorators in Python?
Decorators in Python are essentially functions that add functionality to an existing function in Python without changing the structure of the function itself. They are represented the @decorator_name in Python and are called in a bottom-up fashion. The beauty of the decorators lies in the fact that besides adding functionality to the output of the method, they can even accept arguments for functions and can further modify those arguments before passing it to the function itself. The inner nested function, that is, wrapper function, plays a significant role here. It is implemented to enforce encapsulation and thus keep itself hidden from the global scope.
What are dict and list comprehensions?
Python comprehensions, like decorators, are syntactic sugar constructs that help build altered and filtered lists, dictionaries, or sets from a given list, dictionary, or set. Using comprehensions saves a lot of time and code that might be considerably more verbose, containing more lines of code. Let's check out some examples where comprehensions can be truly beneficial. Performing mathematical operations on the entire list. Performing conditional filtering operations on the entire list. Combining multiple lists into one. Flattening a multidimensional list. Note that list comprehensions have the same effect as the map method in other languages. They follow the mathematical set builder notation rather than map and filter functions in Python.
What is Lambda in Python? Why is it used?
Lambda is an anonymous function in Python that can accept any number of arguments but can only have a single expression. It is generally used in situations requiring an anonymous function for a short time period. Lambda functions can be used in either of the two ways: assigning lambda functions to a variable or wrapping lambda functions inside another function.
How do you copy an object in Python?
In Python, the assignment statement is equal to operator does not copy objects. Instead, it creates a binding between the existing object and the target variable name. To create copies of an object in Python, we need to use the copy module. Moreover, there are two ways of creating copies for the given object using the copy module. Shallow copy is a bitwise copy of an object. The copied object created has an exact copy of the values in the original object. If either of the values is a reference to other objects, just the reference addresses for the same are copied. Deep copy copies all values recursively from source to target object, that is, it even duplicates the objects referenced by the source object. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.